A very lovely good morning to all of you children. You might be wondering that why Khyati madam is taking English because of some health issues of Nipa ma'am. I'm going to take a few English classes. Okay. So in the last module of the chapter number 6, Who I Am, we have seen the poem. I hope you all understood that poem. Then you have done the 2 exercise. Okay, one was the blanks, other was the true false. So moving to the page number 74. Okay, along with the video you also open your textbooks for your better understanding. So come on the page number 74 of your textbook. Now here you will see the exercise, textual exercise part 2. Each one of us skilled or good at something. But do you know that different people are intelligent in different ways? है ना? हम में से हर कोई ऐसा होता है जिसमें कोई ना कोई स्किल होती है. हम किसी न किसी चीज़ में अच्छे होते हैं. कोई रनिंग में अच्छा होता है, कोई डांसिंग में अच्छा होता है, कोई म्यूजिक में अच्छा होता है. So these are called the skills. Okay? And different people have this different type of the skills, that is also known as the intelligence within the people. Okay, so we will see what are the different kinds of the intelligence are there. We will see its category, and if that intelligence is in you, how to identify it. So it has certain characteristic that we will identify from these columns. Okay, so let's start. So we are going to start with the page number 74, and the first is the visible intelligence. Means हम सब चीज़ों को आँखों से ही देखते हैं, बट किसी किसी लोगों में ऐसा स्किल होता है, आर्ट होता है कि वो हमसे ज़्यादा बेटर चीज़ों को देख के पहचान लेते हैं. जैसे हम कोई पेंटिंग को देखते हैं तो कुछ लोग उसमें वो चीज़ें निकाल लेते हैं जो बाकी लोगों के लिए पॉसिबल नहीं होता है. सो दीज पीपल आर द विजिबली इंटेलिजेंट. यू लाइक टू, और जिस इंसान में, द पीपल हु आर विजिबली इंटेलिजेंट, what they like. Okay, means उनको क्या पसंद होता है. Is it think in the pictures, create mental images to remember the things. They enjoy looking at the maps, charts, pictures, videos and the movies. जिसमें भी कहीं पिक्चर की चीज़ें होंगी वो उनको देखना, अपने आप इमेजिनेट करना, उसको in the form of the image or the picture they can put on the canvas. So these are called, these signs what gives you idea that the people or the person is a visually intelligent. And if you are a visually intelligent, then you will be good at puzzle building, reading, writing, understanding a map, charts, graphs, a sense of the direction, sketching, painting, fixing or making the object, understanding pictures. Okay, and if you are a visually intelligent, then what you can become. तो कौन सा प्रोफेशन आपके लिए अच्छा हो सकता है. नेविगेटर मीन्स, नेविगेटर्स कौन होते हैं? जो शिप पे काम करते हैं, जो डायरेक्शंस दिखाने का काम करते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड द नेविगेटर्स. स्कल्पचर्स मीन्स जो मूर्तिकार होते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड द स्कल्पचरर्स. आर्टिस्ट, inventor, architect, interior designer, mechanic and engineers. Okay, let's move to the another, that is an verbal intelligence. means वो जब बोलते हैं तो लोग उसको सुनते हैं. उनको जब वो ऐसे लोग बोलते हैं तो बाकी लोगों को उनको सुनना अच्छा लगता है. They are the good orator, is it? And the verbal intelligence people would like to use the words and the languages. They are good at the language. They speak well, think in the words rather than the picture. वो पिक्चर के थ्रू बात करने में इतने एफिशिएंट नहीं होते हैं जितने वो वर्ड से बात करना में एफिशिएंट होते हैं. एंड दे आर गुड एट स्पीकिंग, राइटिंग, स्टोरी टेलिंग, लिसनिंग, एक्सप्लेनिंग, teaching using the humor. understanding the meaning of the words, remembering information, convincing someone of your point of view. You can become, और ऐसे लोग कौन से प्रोफेशंस में अच्छे हो सकते हैं, कौन सा प्रोफेशन उनके लिए अच्छा होता है? They can become a poet, journalist, writer, teacher, lawyer, politicians and the translator. क्योंकि ये काम करने वाले लोगों की स्पीच अच्छी होनी चाहिए. They should be verbally good. Okay, they should be good in the communication. Then comes the mathematical intelligence. What is a mathematical intelligence? These people would like to use the reasons, logic, हर बात में logic ढूंढना. Okay, so they are called the mathematically intelligence, always curious about the world around. और उनके आसपास जो कुछ भी होगा वो उसमें logic ढूंढेंगे, कारण ढूंढेंगे. Is it? है ना, ऐसे लोग होते हैं ना. You ask lots of questions and like to do the experiments. Is it? उनको बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस उनके दिमाग में होते हैं और उनको सबका आंसर चाहिए होता है. नई नई एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करना उनको पसंद है चीज़ों के साथ. सो इस तरह के लोग क्या होते हैं? दे आर मैथमेटिकल इंटेलिजेंस एंड दे आर गुड एट प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, पजल सॉल्विंग, एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग, क्वेश्चनिंग, wondering about the nature, events, doing the mathematics, calculation, working with the geometry shapes. So these people are basically, you will find that they are good in the mathematics. Other than that, they solve the puzzles easily. They like to experiment everything. They like to question everything. Is it? And what type of the profession they can be? They can choose is they can become a scientist, engineers, computer programmer. They can become a researchers, accountant and mathematician. Now in the next page there are more intelligences are given. Turn to the page number 75. Okay, so next comes the bodily intelligence. Bodily intelligence क्या होता है? That person used to like to control your body movement, handle the object skillfully. जो बॉडी से बहुत फुर्तीले होते हैं. Is it? कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं ना जो दौड़ने में बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, एथलीट्स होते हैं. Is it? You have a good sense of the balance and can catch or hit a ball well. उनके वो अपने बॉडी में अच्छा बैलेंस बनाते हैं, बॉल को अच्छे से हिट कर सकते हैं. You like to move around while learning. कोई भी चीज़ वो एक जगह बैठ के नहीं पढ़ सकते हैं, उनको मूव करके पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है. इज इट? यू आर गुड एट, वो लोग ऐसे लोग कौन सी चीज़ों में अच्छे होते हैं? डांसिंग, फिजिकल कोऑर्डिनेशन, स्पोर्ट्स, क्राफ्ट, एक्टिंग, माइमिंग, यूजिंग योर हैंड्स टू क्रिएट और बिल्ड, एक्सप्रेस द इमोशन थ्रू द बॉडी. वो अपने बॉडी का यूज ज़्यादा करते हैं इमोशन को डिस्प्ले करने में. इज इट? रेदर देन टॉकिंग, वर्ड्स का यूज कम करते हैं. रेदर देन दे टॉक लेस इन द वर्ड्स while showing their anger or love, whatever. Okay, and what type of profession in which they can go are dancer, athletes, physical education, teacher, actor, firefighters and the craft person. Is it? तो ऐसे लोग ये सारे प्रोफेशंस को चूज कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट कम्स द म्यूजिकल इंटेलिजेंसी. So it's very clear, is it, that these people used to like to play and enjoy the music. They think about the sounds, rhythms, patterns, and they can immediately respond to the music. They either appreciate or criticize what they hear. ऐसे लोग जो जिनमें म्यूजिकल इंटेलिजेंसी होती है वो चीज़ों को सुनते हैं और उसको अलग ही तरीके से they have a capacity to take out the things in the other way, जो बाकी लोगों में नहीं होता है. तो वो उसको या तो क्रिटिसाइज भी करते हैं या ऐसी क्वालिटी निकालेंगे जो दूसरे लोग नहीं पहचान सकते सुन के. Is it? So they are good at singing, whistling, playing musical instrument, recognizing the tunes, composing the music, understanding the structure and the rhythm of the music. Is it? And what this this type of person can become. They can become a musician, disc jockey, singer, composer. तो वो ऐसे सारी फील्ड को चूज कर सकते हैं. And interpersonal intelligence. Now what is this? This is about a person who can understand others. जो दूसरों को ज्यादा बेहतर समझते हैं. They try to see the things from the other people's point of the view in order to understand how they think or feel. वो दूसरे के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से चीजों को समझने की कोशिश समझने में ज्यादा सक्षम होते हैं, ज्यादा कैपेबल होते हैं. दे आर गुड ऑर्गेनाइजर. वो चीजों को ऑर्गेनाइज. अब देखना, कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनको पसंद नहीं होगा कि वो जिस तरह से चीजों को सेट करके रखे और उसको कोई आके बिखेर दे. सो दे आर द गुड ऑर्गेनाइजर. उनको हर चीज ऑर्गेनाइज पसंद है. इज इट? कोई चीज बिखरी पड़ी होगी, दे डोंट लाइक दैट. एंड मैनेज टू गेट द अदर पीपल टू कोऑपरेट and work as a team. So they are good team builder. क्योंकि वो दूसरे की बात समझ लेते हैं. So the other people also support them. Is it? So they are good at serving the things from the other's view, listening, understanding other people's mood and the feeling, solving problems, cooperating with the groups, noticing people's mood, communicating, building trust. तो ऐसे लोग होते हैं, वो सोसाइटी में बहुत लोगों से कनेक्ट हो पाते हैं. इज इट? सो दे बिकम्स अ गुड लीडर ऑल्सो एंड they can manage their team very well. And what type of the profession they can choose is, they can become a good counselor, they can become a good sales person. क्योंकि वो सामने वाले का माइंडसेट पढ़ लेंगे तो उसको कन्विंस कर सकेंगे. इज इट? Then they can become a politician. A good politician should have a good team. They can become a good business person. They can become a teacher also. Is it? Now let's move toward the exercise. Now based on that intelligence factor, you read the sentence and find out about which intelligence this sentence is talking about. Okay, see, first one is given to you. When I enjoy listening to people and solving their problem, I use my interpersonal intelligence. अभी मैंने आपको बोला कि वो लोगों को बेहतर सुन सकते हैं और उसको समझ सकते हैं, so they can find out the better solution. तो ऐसे लोगों में कौन सी इंटेलिजेंसी है? इंटरपर्सनल. So remaining you have to find it out and please write the answer with the pencil strictly. Because if any correction is required, you can do it easily. Don't write in the textbook with the pen. Use your pencil. Okay, let's move ahead. Yeah, the next is working with the language. Now this is a match. These all are the professions: navigator, architect, politician, engineer, computer programmer. And this side means on the right side what type of work these professions are doing, that is given. Find out the correct answer and match it. Okay, this also you have to do with the pencil. Okay, don't do with the pen. Then the writing part below it is, write a paragraph about yourself. You have to write a paragraph about yourself, so that the people who read it well will get to know you better. ताकि जो लोग इसको पढ़े वो आपके बारे में better जान सके. You have to write a paragraph about yourself, means 6 to 7 lines, not more than that. And what you have to include in that paragraph is what you enjoy to do most, what makes you angry, what you hate to do, and what you want to become. Okay, and the things like what you want to become, when you mention this type of thing, then support your choice by the reason. Okay, for example, if I say I want to become a teacher, then I should tell that people I like to be a teacher because I think I'm a good at explaining the things, convincing the people. I'm a good orator. I'm a good leader. So I like to become a teacher. Is it? Like this. Okay, so this you have to do in the rough notebook, not in your English notebook. Do it, write it in the rough notebook and send me the picture. Okay? Yeah. Then on the page number 80, come directly on the page number 80. Yeah, there is a speaking exercise, but here lines is also, space is also provided to you for writing the answer. Now what this question is, why does Radha's mother tell her that it is not suitable for girls to climb the tree? Find the points to agree with the Radha or her mother. Okay, now plan what you will say by making the notes like this. Now you have to write the points for both. Girls would be able to climb the trees if they wish. अगर गर्ल चाहे तो वो पेड़ पे चढ़ सकते, they can climb the tree. Okay, why? You have to write the 3 points here. Girls should not be allowed to climb the trees, और girls को ट्री पे नहीं चढ़ना चाहिए. Okay, so you have to write the 3 points. If you agree, you also have to write the 3 points if you disagree. So you have to write the 3 points for both. Think it, write it. This also you can do it in your rough notebook, and if you write in the textbook, write it with the pencil. Okay, so children, this is all for today. Now you complete these exercise and send me at 5 o'clock in the evening. Okay, I hope I have succeeded in making you understand this exercise. Okay children, goodbye.